right, last part to talk about here is the Louisiana Purchase of 1803. Now, this is going to be pretty brief because, to be honest, we're going to dig into this individually as a topic here in one of our upcoming lessons. But one of the biggest changes that you could argue happened during the presidency of Thomas Jefferson was the negotiation of the territory known as the Louisiana Purchase, or the Louisiana Territory. The catalyst for it was the Mississippi River in the port city of New Orleans, which I know we've talked about in class. New Orleans is like the main exit off of the Mississippi River to the Gulf of Mexico and really to the rest of the world. So when you look at the Mississippi, it was our western border at the end of the Revolutionary War when we got the Treaty of Paris signed with Great Britain. So it obviously was our main transportation mode to take any products that were west of the Appalachians and move them to, a larger sphere of influence for sales. So Jefferson really was interested in trying to negotiate some more of the rights on the Mississippi and make sure that New Orleans was safe for us as well. And when he goes to talk to Napoleon Bonaparte about it, he gets offered this deal to buy the entire territory for an unbelievable price, $15 million, and it ends up being roughly about 3 cents an acre, which you could argue is one of the greatest land deals that could have ever been had in the history of the world. So it's a pretty amazing thing that he accomplishes. It doubles the size of the United States. It opens up the idea of exploration out there, and it's also going to kind of spark the motivation to continue all the way to the West Coast. So that's just a brief overview of the Louisiana Purchase. And in essence, it helped France, one of our longtime allies as well.